What I like about the FJA is they're constantly keeping their finger on the pulse of what matters to people. You know, they're not an organization that does it their way and you're going to have to adapt. They're always saying, what can we do for our members?
I've been a member of FJA for over 30 years because they're the only organization in the state of Florida that helps us represent individuals in the fight against Goliath. And that's why I'm a member of FJA.
It's nice to have a big organization that is structured, well-staffed, you know, with the best of the best on your side.
You're never alone in your practice.
It's one of the best organizations for networking.
To be a part of it is a great thing.
It's critical that you join FJA.
FJA just really fights for our clients.
They fight against bills that will destroy our practices and hurt our clients.
At any time, you know, our practice can go away with just the wrong kind of laws written.
If you know what goes on in that legislature and what they have to go up against,
The work that they put into it, the dedication.
that's one of the reasons I joined the FJA.
My law partners and I are so convinced that FJA is critical to our survival that we require all of our lawyers to become members.
It's a necessary support, I think, for anybody who does plaintiff's work in Florida.
They provide just really good access to information to experts.
Like I'm on Flame, which is a listserv. Some of the things I like about Flame, somebody could literally be in trial and send out an email and says, this issue came up, I'm blind, and immediately it's like having a law firm of hundreds of lawyers who are sending you briefs, memos, case law.
Everybody is out to help everybody else and for the benefit of our clients.
That's invaluable.
I'm amazed that when I go to an FJA CLE presentation, I always learn more than I expected to learn.
Every meeting, every convention that the FJA has, there's something for people at very different parts in their career.
You will benefit professionally from it. You take advantage of the CLEs and TLEL. I've been a member of that for a while now, and that is priceless for me. As a sole practitioner, we will often work on a lot of different types of issues, and we're not going to run across everything all the time, so we have new issues that come before us. And so one of the things that we can do is with the TLEL is we can search the database to see if that question, a question that you're being presented with, has been presented to other members of that listserv before, and if there's been responses to it. And if it hasn't, you can post and see if anybody else has run across that issue, maybe researched it for you, and that's a huge benefit for somebody in my position.
When I go to FJA CLE, I know it's something that's applying to my actual practice.
Everybody knows something you don't, and if you can just listen and be present, you can learn a lot, and it can really enrich your practice and your life.
And continually being surrounded by some of these great lawyers in our state in all different specialties, I think that makes you want to be a better lawyer. Without membership, this organization can't run.
If there was no FJA, I think the world would come to an end. There would be nothing to stop large corporations and insurance companies.
That's what's scary to me.
As you become more active in the FJA, you really start realizing how small of a community the plaintiff's bar is.
And we all need to be helping out, and we all need to put our oars in the water.
Talk to friends, colleagues, and especially young people, and tell them why they should join the FJA.
You just are never going to, on your own, be able to have the resources to get that sort of information. You've got to rely on a group that is organized, structured, that can get it to you in a cost-efficient way, and that to me is what the FJA is. I know a lot of people look at it as it's just another expense. I look at it as an investment.